In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to boot on Windows 10. This is a crucial skill, especially if you're troubleshooting or need to make specific configurations to your system. Let's go through the process step by step, ensuring that you understand each action along the way. First, we're going to begin by clicking on the Start button. This is located in the bottom left corner of your screen. It's that little Windows logo that you're probably accustomed to seeing. Once you've done that, the next step is to go to the settings icon. You'll know you found it when you see a small gear. This icon is your gateway to numerous customization options on your Windows 10 computer. Once you're in the settings, look for the update and security section. This is typically towards the bottom of the menu. Go ahead and click on it. Now you'll find yourself on a page that primarily deals with updates, recovery options, and security settings. We want to navigate to the Recovery tab, which is located on the left sidebar. Clicking on Recovery will bring us one step closer to where we need to be. You're almost there. Within the recovery settings, you should see an option labeled Advanced Startup. Right under that, there is a button that says Restart Now. When you click this button, your computer will prepare to restart, but don't worry, this is exactly what we want to happen. Your PC will now restart and load a special menu. After your computer boots back up, look for the troubleshoot option from the menu that appears. Click on it, then select Advanced Options, and finally go to Startup Settings. This sequence will guide you into a more detailed boot configuration menu. Next, you're going to click on Restart once more. Your computer will reboot again, and this time it will bring up a list of options for your startup settings. At this point, you have various options such as Safe Mode, which is particularly useful if you're trying to diagnose or solve a problem with your system. To select your desired boot option, you simply press the corresponding number key on your keyboard, and that's it. You've successfully navigated the process to boot on Windows 10. Remember, this process is handy anytime your system acts up, or if you need special configurations. Just take it one step at a time and you'll be just fine. I hope this guide was helpful for you and that you feel more confident in managing your Windows 10 system. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.